三號強風信號喺下晝4點40分發出，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。下晝5點，熱帶風暴馬力斯集結喺香港之西南，大約290公里，即係北緯20.6度、東經112度附近。預料初時移動緩慢，稍後向北移動，時速大約15公里，靠近廣東西部沿岸。雷達圖像顯示，同馬力斯相關嘅狂風驟雨同埋強風正逐漸影響珠江口一帶，本港風力會逐漸增強，預料3號強風信號會至少維持至聽朝6點。按照現時預測路徑，馬力斯會喺今晚午夜前後喺廣東西部沿岸登陸，隨後將移入內陸地區，其南側嘅廣闊強雨帶會喺今晚至到聽朝逐漸影響珠江口一帶，該區持續有大驟雨同埋強風，高地明日間中吹烈風。除非馬力斯迅速增強或採取較為接近本港嘅路徑，否則改發更高熱帶氣旋警告信號嘅機會甚低。海面有大浪同埋湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊同埋停止所有水上活動。過去1個鐘頭，塔門錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時44公里，最高陣風超過每小時54公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3, was issued at 4:40 p.m. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 5 p.m., tropical storm Malik C was estimated to be about 290 km southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 20.6 degrees north, 112.0 degrees east, and is forecast to be slow-moving at first, and then move northwards later, at about 15 km per hour, edging closer to the western coast of Guangdong. Radar imagery showed that the squally showers and strong winds associated with Malik C are gradually affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Local winds will strengthen progressively. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force at least until 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. According to the present forecast track, Malik C is expected to make landfall at the coast of western Guangdong around midnight tonight. It will then move into inland areas. The extensive intense rain bands to its south will gradually affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary tonight and tomorrow morning. There will be heavy showers and strong winds persistently over the regions. There will be occasional gale winds on high ground tomorrow. Unless Malik C intensifies rapidly, or adopts a track closer to Hong Kong, the chance of issuing higher tropical cyclone warning signals will be rather low. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline, and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tap Moon was 44 km per hour, with maximum gust exceeding 54 km per hour.